Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the Learning Curve. Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new season of Oliver the Cat, the Learning Curve. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is he. Let's use he in a sentence. He is standing tall. Our next word is as. Let's use as in a sentence. She is as pretty as a rose. Our next word is look. Let's use look in a sentence. Look at the ball. Our next word is with. Let's use with in a sentence. He went with Peter. Our next word is they. Let's use they in a sentence. They are friends. Our next word is three. Let's use three in a sentence. I have 3 cookies. Our next word is 6. Let's use 6 in a sentence. There are 6 candles. Our next word is where. Let's use where in a sentence. Where are my socks? Our next word is day. Let's use day in a sentence. It's a sunny day. Our last word is could. Let's use could in a sentence. I could eat 2 pancakes. All right, my little kitties. Let's review all of the words that we have learned so far. He, as, look, with, they, 3, 6, where, they, could. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people the words that we have learned today.